I'm Helen.
And I'm Phoenix.
Today we're going to be making a craft, and we're going to start using this paper mache anchor that we purchased at Hobby Lobby. And then what are we going to do with it, Phoenix?
We're going to paint it, and then we're going to put some rope on it and glue some shells.
And we got everything at Hobby Lobby. So come along with us. It'll be fun.
So we started to paint this, and this dark blue.
So next we painted the body a contrasting color. So we have two different colors of blue. And now we have to wait for it to dry. Okay, so now our anchor is pretty dry. So we're going to take this rope and using hot glue, we're going to wrap it around part of the anchor. So Phoenix, do you want to explain how we're going to wrap it?
Yeah, it's going to go behind here. We're going to hot glue it behind it. And then we're going to wrap it back around.
Here, I'll hold that for you while you're doing that.
And then we're going to go down there.
I know it's hard, my hand's there.
And then going to go right here.
So that's kind of what it's going to look like. We're waiting for the hot glue gun to warm up. And then when we come back, we'll show you us after we've put the rope on.
So we finished, and I put 3 shells right here and put 2 shells under it. And then 4, and then 1 right here, 2, 1, and right there, right there, there, right there, right there.
Okay, so we're all finished. And this probably took us about, let's see, maybe an hour and a half to do this, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't really paying attention to the time when we started, but something like that. So what part, in your opinion, Phoenix, what part was the easiest and what part was the hardest?
The hardest was the painting, but the easiest was the shells and the rope.
I would probably agree with that. I thought the rope was going to be a lot harder. I was really worried about it slipping, and so I was wanting to do a lot more glue points. But Phoenix was pretty confident that we only needed to glue it on 2 points, and he was right. So I thought the rope was going to be a lot harder. The painting, when we first started painting the light blue, it looked a lot like the dark blue, right? Remember that? But as you can see, as it's dried, it's very much a distinct color. But the color combination is I really like it. It's very very oceany. So, so if you had a chance to do something like this again, what would you do different, or would you do anything different?
Yeah, I'd do something different.
No, but would you do it in a different way? Like if you had another one to do, would you still do it the same way we did it? Yeah. Yeah, I would say we kind of ran out of this light paint, so it's a good thing that we didn't have anything bigger, because the paint that we bought, which was these little jars, there's not a lot in them, and so I don't know if you can see on the video, but this end one that is completely empty, and that's the light paint. So yeah, that was pretty fun. I'd do this again. Yeah, totally. And we have a lot of shells left over, so we could do this again just by buying another one of these, and we have the paint, and we have the shells, and we have lots of rope. So we could totally do another one of these for almost very little money. So, all right, well, that's our craft day. So, you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.